Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel IES. Today's date is 7th of May 2020 and time is around 11:45. So in today's video, I will show you the intraday trade which I did today. And before that, let's see how Nifty opened and how did it behave in the morning session. So if you will see, Nifty opened somewhere here around 9,234 and it started falling immediately, but it took support here, it seems, and it closed above this level, and this level is the day before yesterday's low, from where yesterday also it took the support, it seems. Okay, so this is how it was. Okay, and after that, in the next candle only, it closed above the opening price of the day. Now today, in the morning, I checked that HCL Tech was the top gainer, and the reason is their result was very good. It seems they posted a profit of some 3,000 crore rupees. Okay, so I took HCL only. So now let's say HCL is the stock of IT sector. Now let's see how IT opened. So this is how IT opened today. Opened flat. It made this high for the day, and in the second candle it uh, didn't cross this high and it just made an inside candle for the day, and this is how Nifty opened. But after that I have to check how HCL Tech was opened. So let's see how this is HCL Tech. Okay, HCL Tech opened gap up. Okay, it was 10 rupees gap was there, so it opened around 530 rupees. Okay, it did the same thing, it went up, made a high, and in the next candle it made an inside candle. Now HCL Tech, see, now I started checking the behavior of HCL Tech. See, if you will see, Nifty was negative, no doubt Nifty was negative compared to yesterday's trading session. So if you can see, Nifty was still negative. Okay, now IT was flat, but the one condition or the one artifact which goes in our favor is that it didn't make any another intraday high. Okay, now I started behaving at watching the behavior of HCL Taxi. In the next candle, it made a low, but it didn't close. Then it again made a red candle, and if you will see, it was totally sideways: green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, red. Here it become little volatile. So I was waiting at least somewhere the volume should increase. So here the volume started increase and price started moving down. Again the volume increased and price went down. Now to sell this, I have to wait for the longs to form and then to wait for their failure. So in this candle the longs were formed. So this candle was the one where the just a minute. Okay, so here the longs were formed, and if you will see this, okay, if you will see, so this low was 529.10 and it closed 529.05, means it closed below this candle. So I made my entry on this point 529.10. Okay, and my stop loss was, see, before this the trend was established here. So if you will see this red candle, because over here it seems that the resistance was formed, so I placed my stop loss on this point. Okay, this was the stop loss, so it was some 5 rupees stop loss was there. Now target. So yesterday it started moving up from here, so I just simply kept my target on this high, the first 5 minutes candle high, because if you will see yesterday also it was taking support from this level only. Okay, so my target was somewhere 515. Let me mark this 515. I just put that 515, and this was the target. So this was my target 515, and this was my entry. So it was simply a 1:3 risk to reward stock trade, and it started falling from there and keep falling, and here if you see, here it increased the volume, so I simply exit from this trade. Now the another trade which I did is HUL, Hindustan Unilever. So let me open that trade as well. HUL, FMCG, this is FMCG, and here it is HUL. So my charts were marked on, let me see, I marked some of the levels on this. Yeah, this is the one. So I simply what I did in this, I made an entry at 1904.95 and I exit at 1953.95. So I made an exit on this line because if you will see in day format, so over here I took the levels from this candle. This candle was 23rd March candle. So if you want to see how these levels comes, you can simply go to this candle, 23rd March candle, and you can find out these levels. So I took from this. So here longs were formed. So simply here longs means the demand was formed on that candle. So it simply hit this level, didn't close. So in the next candle only I took the entry, and the reason was that why I went for buy when the market was negative. So if you will check Nifty chart, simply the Nifty is also trading above the low of the day before yesterday, so we can go for buy as well. And now if you will see, the Nifty has broken that low, so the market sentiment might go negative now. So let's see how it goes for the remaining day. So these two stocks were chosen for the day. There are some others, but these were very important because in the first one, HCL Tech, the opening was gap up, and in Hindustan Unilever, the opening was gap down. Okay, so that's why I chose these two stocks. So that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.